What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, where today I'm going to be opening this Hot Wheels Mazda RX-3 and Hot Wheels 2024 Aston Martin Vantage GT3. So I'll start with the Mazda RX-3. I'm normally quite good at opening these, but today I guess not. It's always that way. When off camera I can open them easily, but on camera I really struggle. So move that to the side. Here is the Mazda RX-3. Looking very cool with Bridgestones. Pretty cool. The underside does also say Mazda RX-3. Pretty cool vehicle. I'll move that, put that there now. And now to open the Aston Martin. Let's hope this goes easier than... There we go. Easy. Move that off camera, and then let's have a look at the Aston. Pretty cool front end. Looks very, very cool. Nice roof decals. Underneath, there we go, 2024 Aston Martin Vantage GT3. Looks pretty awesome. The only problem I see is, well, this car is a British brand, so, but it has the steering wheel on the right hand, the left hand side of the vehicle instead of the right hand side. But it does look very cool. Let's have a look. Where's the steering wheel on this? Also on the right hand side, and this is a Japanese vehicle. Left hand side, and this is a Japanese vehicle, so is what it is. So there we go. Those are my unboxing of the two newest Hot Wheels vehicles. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.